Hi my beauties, it's Cassie from Elusive Exclusives. I am glad to be back. I took a much needed break from social media to kind of just focus on some self-care, but I'm ready to get back into it. So I'm starting with a clean face. I love these Sephora wipes. It cleans all these impurities and makeup, and I'm definitely loving the new Amazon lace front wigs that I'm finding. They're very economical for a low budget. So I spent about no more than $150 on this wig. It's a 16-inch deep wave by Noble Hair. You can pretty much put that in the search bar and you'll come up with their products. I'm using the bobby pin method because I can't use adhesive or glue, and it secures my lace front beautifully. And I jump right into the makeup. So one of the techniques I've learned, I could never figure out how everybody was getting their eyebrows so perfectly. And then when I would see it, it looked like it took them forever. Like they took forever on their brows before they even got to the rest of their makeup. So I found this quick technique that worked for me. And I pretty much just kind of draw my eyebrows in with a pencil. I go after it with the concealer, and that just does the job for me in less than 5 minutes. So I was very excited and happy about this, learning this technique, because it just refreshes my face so much, having like perfectly arched eyebrows. So a couple other things I've learned is I was applying concealer before the foundation. This time I switched it up and I applied the foundation. So I have Anastasia foundation stick in chestnut, and I applied the concealer after that, and that made a world full of difference as well. So I do the same thing you guys do. I watch other YouTube videos and figure out how to apply some of those techniques to me. Some things I don't like, so I just don't try. I feel like I'm doing well, but if it's something I can perfect or improve on, I do take other people's ideas and try it for myself. And with this look, those couple of techniques I learned really did work for me. So I'm getting better at doing these wingtip eyeliner touches. I have a very disproportionate face because I lost a lot of muscle tissue on one side. So it's always difficult for me to do my makeup. I have to make sure it's appropriately placed. Sorry guys, I had to give that death stare. If you're a mom, you know exactly what that stare was for. Nonetheless, I took a leave of absence from social media because I had to focus on some self-care. At the beginning of the year, I got physically assaulted and sexually assaulted, and it completely broke me. I had to seek treatment both physically and emotionally to start on my path of healing. So one of the things I tried to jump back into that was always therapy for me was doing makeup and doing hair, but trying to get over the physical attributes that occurred from the assault definitely slowed down that progress for me, and it's still quite difficult. So I have PTSD through the roof, and being at home doing this and sharing with you guys is like really as much as I can do right now. So I am pretty proud of myself so far to be able to interact with you guys again. The lashes that you saw me put on are Lilly Lashes. That particular lash is called Miami Lash. You can get it from Sephora. It's about $20. Those are the lashes that Khloe Kardashian wears, and I just love how her eyes look when she wears these. I'm cutting baby hairs into the lace front just to conform to my face more. I'm going to end up gelling these baby hairs down, and I'm going to end up having this complete look that I'm very proud of. I'm very proud of to be able to jump back out here and show you guys what I do. This was a very simple look for me. I hope that some of these techniques that I've learned you'll be able to use as well. My son is making his debut in my video. I think it's cute. So this is the complete look. I'm about to get ready to enjoy the weather. So share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. If you like this look, let me know. If you didn't like this look, definitely let me know. Tell me what you want to see more of. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Subscribe for more.